Hi everyone, welcome to SEAMETAL channel again. I'm so happy to introduce you more about our company's product. And in my previous videos, we have introduced several, at least 5 types of car rubber sealing strips to you. And today, I'd like to introduce you a new one. We have provided all kinds of sealing strips, and you may go to our website, SEAMETAL website, to check more details. You can go to our website and maybe you can find something more interesting. Thank you. And this one, let's open it and take a look. The similarity and the same, and it's made of EPDM rubber and with a non-toxic, quite soft, flexible. And you see here the shape is different too, and there are 4 holes and 2 layers, and you may find it's like a L, so we call it a L-shaped design, and it's a 3rd generation design, so it's even more upgraded version. The function is similar. You can use it on car front rear windshield or car door to protect your car, extend your car life with them, and easy to clean the tree leaves or debris on rainy days, and may gather on your car roof or rear windshield. Also, when you go to travel on the far places, and maybe there are dust may get into your car, and this one can help you, prevent them from getting into your car, and make sure you can have a better driving experience. And also for this C40155, our serial number, and we have provided adhesion promoter, and when you install it, and first clean your car completely, and you put this adhesion promoter on the car on the position, then you can gently remove the protection adhesive tape here, then you paste it, and it can help stay longer. And for this product, and we have 5 meters, and also we have 2 meters and 16 meters, and wow, also we have 35 meters. It's long enough for your whole car use. You can use it for doors and front or rear windshields or car roof. Okay, and the adhesion promoter is packed inside of the package, and also we will spend some minutes on outdoors to show you how to install it, and you can have a look and find it when you have it, and you will find it has it will have a very good sealing effect, and your car cabin is so quiet, and don't worry about rainwater or dust or getting into your car. It's a good sound insulation. And we are with the car now and show you how to install this L sealing strip. Okay, and you may see there is a adhesion promoter inside, and you can choose to either to use it or not. And we have cleaned the car already, so I'm going to not use it. So let's see how to install this. Okay, first I'll start from this part. I choose 5 meters. Okay, remove the strip here. See, I gently remove the tape, and I'll start from here, and you see the L-shape, 4 holes. you see I choose 5 meters. There are some extras, and you can cut off the extra part. Thank you very much for watching, and if you find my introduction is helpful and useful, please kindly support me and give me a thumb up and support me and subscribe our channel, and we will do more videos to you and help you with your online purchasing. Thank you and have a good day.